to the story that gives the demons and angels purpose. They fly around while we are walking and mold our emotions just to please them. I am cold, can you hear? I will fly with no hope, no fear, and the ground taunts my wings. Plummet as I sing, plummet as I sing. All we are is an isle of flightless birds. We find our worth in giving birth and stuff. We're lining our homes against running roads when we think the going is tough. We pick songs to sing that remind us of things that nobody cares about. And honestly, we're probably more suicidal than ever now. If you decide to live by what you think's wrong and what's right, believe me, you'll begin to wish you were sleeping. A weeping will creep in your head and you'll cry. But if we wake up every morning and decide what we believe, we can take apart our very heart and our light will set us free. I am cold. Plummet as I sing, plummet as I, how frustrating and so degrading. This time we're wasting, this time will fly by. The sky will cry as light is fading, and he is waiting, oh, so patiently as we repeat the same routine. As he will please comfortability. Please don't think about why you sleep in the evening, and please don't be afraid of what your soul is really thinking. Your soul knows good and evil, your soul knows both sides, and it's time to pick your battle, and I promise you this is mine. I promise you.